Well, I'm from Montreal, and when I was growing up, so my mom had a bunch of Cohen albums. So it was always playing around the house, and so I'm very familiar with the music from a very young age. So it's when I do a film in Montreal, it's natural for me to put Leonard Cohen in it. And then the themes that we were talking about in the movie, like fantasy versus reality, or the struggle to see reality, and then sort of say desire in conflict with responsibility. Two things you might want and how they kind of impact each other. And then, the kind of Dionysian aspect of things. Those are all kinds of things versus sobriety. Those are all kinds of things that play out in his poetry. So it kind of fit really well with the themes that we were interested in investigating when we were making the movie.